What's going on, guys? Adam again, back with the Atomic Garage, and today we're in the bomb shop and we're starting on the workbench and trying to tidy this shop up. Coming up in this video. Drop that intro. So as the intro stated, guys, this shop is a mess. I have so much stuff already in here, and we are going to work on getting the workbench right here, as you can see. I've already cleared out some space. I already took a bunch of measurements, and I already have my blueprints and my cut sheet. So we are going to go ahead and start cutting the wood so we can start putting this together. Alright guys, so as per the plans, we've already got these middle boards here that's going to go along the top for support in the middle and the two ends. We're going to have two full boards that's going here, and we've already got the legs cut as well. So we're going to go ahead and see about pre-drilling those end pieces of wood and start screwing them in, and we'll see what we got going from there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can get it on back through there, which is going to be the fun part, and see if we can level it up with the wall so we can go from there. That's going to be, oh God, that's going to be the rough part. So let's get to it, and we'll go from there. Come on, guys. Oh, snap. We got the bench in right here. This is just the first one, and quite honestly, it's rock solid, and I'm happy with how that turned out. This will not stay here on top of there, and I made a mistake or miscalculation. This bench was supposed to be 33 inches from the bottom of here, was supposed to be 33 inches, but I lowered it down because I like the height just a tad bit more, and because I was having a hard time trying to make sure everything was level at a little bit higher up. So I dropped it down a little bit, and of course, now it's hit. Now it no longer slides up under there. So I'm going to have to work on that, but I ran out of time today, so we will get started on this on the next day.
1 week later.
What's going on, guys and girls? We are back inside of the bomb shop, and it's been a couple of days. I can never get back on the project the very next day. very busy life, but it's quite all right. Let me show you the progress that we've made so far and what we have to do next. Alright guys, so the very next step is for us to get rid of this and to get rid of all of this, at least move this over to a more suitable place, get rid of this, and go ahead and finish build my L-shaped workbench that I want. So I'm going to have a workbench here as well. Then on this side, we're going to get that red toolbox and take those wheels off of it, put it under there so I can create more space, and move this big old girl toolbox over on this side here. So we're gonna start by taking some dimensions and we will get started. Alright guys, so now that we have our 4 pieces of wood cut for now, we're going to go ahead and make the square that was in my mock-up drawing, and from there we will go ahead and attach it to the wall, then cut the legs, and then put the top on it. And Alright guys, so as you can see behind me, we finally got it attached to the wall, and for some reason this shorter one was a whole lot more aggravating and difficult than the longer bench that's at the very back of the workshop. I don't know why, but anyway, we've got this part on. I've got my metal horse just still supporting it, so I know that I've got it 100% level. And what we're going to do now is cut a leg for here, for it to be stabilized there. And I'm not going to worry about shelves for right now. I'm going to take these totes, these black totes, and just stack them up under here, and they'll be nice and neat and at least out of the way, and I'll leave that project for at least another day. Then we're going to, after I cut the legs, I'm going to go ahead and shorten the top that I'm going to be using for this workbench here. And then we'll start trying to tidy up and break some of these big metal shells down and things like that, and keep going. Well guys, I am sitting here on the workbench that I built, and I felt pretty good about it because it turned out really good, if I do say so myself. Even you guys can see where this L is right here. It's very small, slightest little lip there, but it's pretty even and consistent, and quite honestly, I feel really good about this project that I took on. So, am I a carpenter? Absolutely not, but I feel good about actually getting done. Now, take a look at the shop from my vantage point. to be it for me today, guys. If you like this video, feel free to press the like button. Also hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Yeah.